everybody, welcome back to Living Large Camping. We just pulled into our spot here for the next night, right along a creek that feeds into the Gallatin River, close to Bozeman, Montana. It was such a beautiful drive getting into this spot, and I think this is going to be some good mountain camping.
It smells like pine trees and fresh air, and it's a little bit cooler here, so we are really excited for that for the next couple of nights. And yeah, like you said, just enjoy this view.
Shows that there's a ton of hikes nearby, so I'm sure we'll do one of those later in this video, but for now I think we're just going to enjoy camping by this creek. It's probably going to be chilly, but I know it's going to feel good.
Let's show you guys around. Before we go show you guys the rest of the campground, I wanted to show you the creek that is right next to our campsite. It is beautiful here.
Of course, I did have to go and feel the creek, and it's definitely colder than the one that we stayed at the last time when we were swimming around, so I don't know if we'll get in it, but if it gets warm enough tomorrow, I may have to. Let's go see the campground. It's not a huge campground. I think there's only like 13 sites in total, and a lot of them are reserved through this weekend. It is Labor Day weekend, so it's going to be packed full with campers and families and people celebrating their time off work, which is going to be great to see. The campground is split into two different sections. There's 6 sites at the start, and then there's 7 probably about half a mile back down this road, so I don't know if we'll make it all the way to there. This walk is really pretty, and it's crazy over here. There's a huge rock slide that definitely happened at some point because there's like no trees there. Beautiful being back in the pines.
Gonna wish for a good wish. Ah! All in one. This campground is $24 a night, which we thought was a little bit more expensive, but it is very clean. They have bathrooms and even bear trash cans? Is that what you call it? Bear storage boxes and bear-proof trash cans, so honestly, it makes it worth it. And it's off the highway. That's a huge win.
Alright, so that was a pretty quick walk, but now it's time to put our chairs out in the shade. The temperatures are starting to drop a little bit, so we're going to sit outside, have a cocktail, and just wait till dinner.
It is 6:30 and we figured we'd start cooking dinner. The temperature is dropping and I have goosebumps on my arms, so it just feels like natural AC outside, which is amazing. But for dinner, we are going to make turkey burgers with corn that we got at the store, as well as a side salad. Boy! We waited too long.
It's not the best looking. But we've had it for like 10 days.
Good thing it's corn season.
I will say one of the hardest things about not having a lot of kitchen space is keeping vegetables and fruits and stuff like that good for a long period of time. It's been pretty hot the last 2 weeks, I guess, and we've had to throw a couple of things out. We try to use everything we buy, but things happen. Although corn definitely would have been a nice addition to this meal, it still turned out great. We got some really nice half-pound turkey burgers and then a great salad that Amelia put together. So we're gonna sit here and just enjoy the sounds of the creek running by our campsite. we're gonna have a good dinner here. We definitely ate too much. Those burgers were so good, and there's still some salad left, so we'll eat that tomorrow, but I think we're gonna go ahead and call it the night here. We've been filming quite a bit the past week or so, so we're gonna go ahead and just relax to ourselves tonight, but we will see you guys early in the morning with some coffee.
See you guys in the morning. Good morning. It is 47 degrees out. You can tell we woke up pretty chilly. Coffee's gonna help.
This has been an awesome campground with the creek running through it and the cold mountain air and just being peacefully quiet. But it is $24 a night, which is pretty pricey for us. So we're gonna end up moving today, but I think before we go find our next campsite, we're gonna try to find a hike nearby. Hopefully we can find something pretty. And we made it to our hike. We are in Big Sky, Montana at a place called Ousel Falls Hike. It was one of the most popular ones that we could find online, and it was just right outside of town. So we'll be able to check out the town afterwards, but it looks like it's gonna be awesome. The parking lot's relatively busy, so it's gotta be a good one.
It's 60 degrees today, and it seems like it's warming up, so I think it is the perfect day for a hike.
Let's go check it out. This is definitely a very popular hike for this area. You can tell just because they have very smooth paved trails all the way down. I'm sure it'll change as we get a little bit lower, but it's got two separate parking lots, so plenty of people can come and enjoy this beautiful scenery, and I'm excited to see what the rest of it looks like. Water's cold.
So the really nice thing about this hike is you can kind of make it as short or as long as you want. There's some other trails that you can join in, and I think you can make it a 5-mile hike. But if not, they have a lot of picnic tables around. Sorry, I'm out of breath. And you can just sit and have lunch and then just hike back up if you don't want to do the whole thing. But it's pretty nice. They've got a lot of benches. Take a breather. But it's beautiful out here. Well, that waterfall was gorgeous. It's really cool how you can get extremely close and you can take a couple different trails to check out the top and the bottom. Our favorite was the bottom, but I think now we're gonna just enjoy some jerky at one of the picnic tables on the hike and just soak the views in. So the reason we keep carrying him is because we didn't think we needed to bring his backpack. This hike is only 2 miles, but we didn't realize how much incline there would be, so he just gets a ride along every now and then.
Well, we hope you guys enjoyed coming along with us as we made our way from Bozeman, now into Big Sky, and just enjoying everything that Montana has to offer.
We couldn't have gotten luckier with the weather. It's been blue skies, 50, 60 degrees, and a very low 40 at night, so we've been loving this state.
We'll be in Montana for at least another week, so we can't wait to show you guys some other amazing spots. And if you have any recommendations, please leave those in the comments below. We always love hearing from you, and usually it leads us to the best camping spots.
We hope to do more hikes with you guys and more beautiful camping in the mountains. So as always, thanks for watching, guys.
Hope you have a large day. We will see you next video.
Bye. It's the cool weather. Delicious. I can't say that because we are